Imagine being able to create an entire video world with just a single sentence. Yep, no camera, no crew, no actors, just your idea. Now, I know that sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but what we're about to explore today, well, it's already here. So let's just start with this question. What if you could direct a movie with just one sentence? Seriously, forget everything you know about filmmaking. All you need is an idea that you type into a little box. Sound completely impossible? Well, think again. That future is way, way closer than you think, and it's all thanks to a groundbreaking tool called Sora. It was developed by the AI research lab OpenAI, and let me tell you, it is completely changing the game. So, what is Sora at its core? Simply put, it's a text-to-video model. You give it a written description, what the developers call a prompt, and in return, it spits out a brand new high-definition video that's based purely on your words. It's wild. And get this, it can create these incredibly complex and detailed scenes that last for a full 60 seconds from just one single prompt. Now, to put that into perspective, a whole minute of stable, coherent AI-generated motion was pretty much unthinkable just a short time ago. So the big question is, how does it pull this off? Well, the process has two main secrets. The first one is all about sculpting video out of, believe it or not, pure chaos. It uses a concept you might have already heard of from AI image generators, the diffusion model. The idea here is absolutely fascinating. See, a diffusion model doesn't start with a blank canvas like a human artist would. No, it starts with a screen that's just full of what looks like old TV static, just random digital noise. Then, with your prompt as its guide, it starts cleaning it up, piece by piece. Think about it like this. First, you've got that screen of pure static. Then the AI, which knows you asked for, say, a golden retriever playing in the snow, it starts chipping away at any and all pixels that don't look like a dog or snow or playful movement. And slowly but surely, step by step, a clear, coherent video just emerges from that initial chaos. This is just a perfect way to think about it. The final video was, in a way, always hiding inside that random noise. The AI just knew exactly how to carve it out. But wait a minute, that only explains how it creates a still image. How on earth does it make things move so realistically? And that right there brings us to the second secret. And this is the really revolutionary part. What makes Sora so different from everything that came before it is that it's not just an artist, it's also kind of a physicist. It uses something called a world model. So what is a world model? Well, in a nutshell, it's an AI that's been trained to understand the basic rules of our physical reality. It's not just copying and pasting things it's seen before. It has a kind of simulated understanding of how stuff is supposed to move and interact in the real world. And this understanding is surprisingly deep. I mean, the AI gets 3D space, so objects can actually move behind each other correctly. It understands basic physics, so a ball will bounce the right way and water will splash realistically. It even gets how light creates shadows and reflections, and how the scene should change based on camera movements. It's incredible. And here's the real breakthrough. This is the difference. A standard image AI, it's great at knowing what a dog looks like. But Sora's world model, it understands how a dog acts. It knows how its legs are supposed to move when it runs, how its fur should ripple in the wind, and how its shadow should stretch and move right along with it. That's the leap forward. This means Sora isn't just making a bunch of still pictures and stringing them together like some high-tech flipbook. No, it's actively simulating a little slice of a world. It's predicting how every single pixel should change and move from one moment to the next to keep the entire scene consistent and totally believable. So you have diffusion models sculpting the scene out of nothing, and you have world models making sure that scene obeys the laws of physics. And when you combine those two things, well, the results are pretty astounding. You suddenly have a whole universe of possibilities at your fingertips. You can generate these stunningly realistic nature documentaries. You can get sweeping drone shots of ancient Rome or a futuristic city, and you can create completely imaginative fantasy worlds. You can even create animated characters that show what looks like genuine emotion, all from just a few words. Now, a tool this powerful is obviously going to have a massive impact. It's really poised to revolutionize filmmaking, marketing, special effects, the whole shebang. But maybe, just maybe, the most important thing is that it could unlock this new wave of individual creativity, giving literally anyone the power to bring their wildest visions to life. So, where does all this knowledge come from? Well, the AI learns its world model by doing what AIs do best, analyzing an absolutely astronomical amount of data. It has crunched millions of real-world videos to intuitively grasp the patterns, the physics, and the visual language of our world. And all of this leaves us with a really fascinating question to chew on. A tool that lets anyone create cinematic visuals from pure imagination, that's not just an upgrade, right? So are we looking at the future of filmmaking, or are we actually witnessing the birth of a brand new art form altogether? Something to think about.